difference between veneers and implants? Because I mean, I have a decent understanding of this topic, but I think unless you're in this kind of aesthetic world, it's hard to understand always like the different terms. And I know to you that it's probably so obvious, but to many people, it's, you know, it's kind of confusing. Sometimes terms are used interchangeably. So if you can just explain the difference between those two and maybe what other words are being used out there on the web or in people's offices to describe those procedures.
Sure. So dental implants and veneers are two totally different things that have a different purpose and different approach. A dental implant is basically like the foundation of a house. So you need something that goes into the ground to anchor everything. That's your foundation. In the mouth, you put a titanium screw basically that is a replacement for a root, and you put that into the bone, and that's a surgical intervention. It's a pretty simple surgery that takes less than an hour and usually doesn't hurt at all afterwards. That's basically the foundation of the house. The whole house I would describe as the crown of the tooth. So that's the visible part of the tooth that you see when you're just showing your teeth, like teeth. That's the house. Veneers are kind of like the facade that would be at the front of the house. Like you have a house and you add all this beautiful brick or whatever you want to the front of it so it looks better. Those would be veneers. You're only covering the front. So it's basically a full replacement, a foundation in a house versus just the front.
And so
That's the
some people
difference.
need both and others can just get away with veneers. Is that
Yeah,
accurate?
basically, if you're missing a tooth, a implant might be the best solution to replace it. You could use a dental bridge, which just connects two teeth and the missing part, or a full implant, which is a surgical procedure.